Hi everyone, welcome to Paradigm, an AI learning platform. Paradigm does a lot, but it really comes down to one thing. Tell it what you want to learn, and it builds you a course, teaches you, and reshapes itself around you. This series walks through every feature, and episode 1 starts at the most direct place, building a course. See this box on the homepage. You can drag in messy notes, lecture PDF, a video link, anything. It will auto-build a course from there. Or just say in plain words, like me. I want to build 2048 game using Python. It drops me into a workspace and hands the job to our agent Clover. Clover logs in the structure first, then dispatches several workers to write every lesson slides, practice, and quizzes in parallel. Notice the sources at the bottom. Clover builds this course referencing 5 real sources, not making things up. And it's done! A fully structured course is ready for you to learn. And now let's click on the first lesson to get started.
Oh, Tutor, welcome back. Today we are diving into coding with variables and data types, and that's what powers the 2048 game. Think of them as digital boxes storing all your scores and moves.
You can pause Clover whenever you want to review the slides on your own. Also, you can ask Clover to test you anytime or ask questions or have it to move the slides for you.
We're going to write the actual code, so let's get
Hi
it.
Clover, can we go to the next one?
All right, next slide. To start, let's talk variables. All right, moving along.
And now, as you can see, after I finish one of the slides and we cover one of the topics, Clover will mark me as done for the first one. And not to mention, you can actually customize your Clover yourself. So for example, I like more Cardi B style tutor. So I can just ask Clover,
Now that we've got our
"Hi
variable,
Clover, can you just teach me in a Cardi B style?"
oh, grrr, you want that spicy vibe, got you. So look, data types, they like crucial, you know what I'm saying? Python got to know what to do with these numbers and words.
Actually, Clover, can you rap?
You want to rap? Let me drop some knowledge on these data types for the game. Yo, we start with integers, whole numbers on the grid, like 1024, that's the score, no need to keep it hid. Then decimals, floats on the loose, average move time, 1.45, that's the juice. Strings.
Oh, Clover, you're so good. Okay, can we just move on to the very last one?
Hold up, skipping ahead? We actually still got a few more slides to go through all those data types and F strings and stuff before we done. We can't just jump to the completion page, but I can keep this rap going for the next slide about formatted printing if you want. What you want to do?
No, actually, I think I understand everything, so can you just test me? And if I'm good enough, can you mark me as done for everything?
Ooh, you want to test for everything right now? All right, let's see what you got. Satisfied. Marking everything is done. Congratulations, you powered through those fundamentals. How you feeling about it?
Okay, well, I'm feeling great. So after we're done with a lesson, we'll click on the continue button. And as you can see, it's saying updating your learning path. That is where the adaptive learning comes into place. Okay, and look, it says since we completely aced the variables and data type lessons, our AI agent helped us skip some of the introductory lesson and updated our upcoming activities. And let me just introduce another type that we have, is the quiz one. So let's just press start. So here comes our quizzes page. So on the left hand side is the questions and on the right hand side is the answer that you need to select. Thing. For every question you get wrong, the AI breaks down why you got it wrong, and then walks you through the correct answer and the reasoning behind it. Okay, great, and now it comes to this results screen. After we click on Finish and Return, it will also update our learning path. Yay! And as we can see, since we're bad at some of the topics, the AI helped us added a real quick review of those topics. So let's return to units, and we can see some of our courses has been updated and there's a new lesson being added. Yeah, and that is the end of today's demonstration of how to create a course and how Paradigm is adapting to your learning. So let's return to the course page to take a look. Yeah, and one last thing. The entire course you just built is really just one node on a notebook canvas. You can see it right here in an infinite canvas. So beyond the courses, the canvas can hold all kinds of other things. For example, sticky notes, web page, whiteboard, code notebook, live notes, interactive story, etc. In the next video, I'll show you how to add every other kind of notes in your canvas. See you there!